Hello! I'm pleased to share some basic information about the Monitor Pack solution. To get started quickly, you need to understand that the Monitor Pack solution has several modules. The first module is called Monitor Pack Discovery. This is the module you will use to register the license key you will receive following your subscription. Keep in mind that a freeware version is available by default if you don't subscribe. You can easily install all modules at once using the Monitor Pack installer available on our download page at monitorpack.com. Installation takes only a few minutes, has no impact on your Active Directory schema, and can be installed or uninstalled via the Windows Add or Remove Programs interface. If you are installing Monitor Pack in an Active Directory forest, you will simply need to create a domain GPO once in order to maintain a high level of security and comply with Microsoft best practices.
You will need to create 2 Active Directory accounts with administrator privileges on the remote machines they will monitor. One for the Windows Monitor Pack Guard Engine service, and one for creating alerts. Both accounts must have local administrator privileges on the remote machines they will monitor. This separation helps secure roles and better manage access rights. It complies with the highest security standards and Microsoft best practices. You now have the main information needed to set up the Monitor Pack solution. Please do not hesitate to contact our support team for more details.